Controlled receiving prevents mix-ups and protect ESD-sensitive electronics from damage. Incoming quality checks verify critical dimensions and finishes before release.
Power on sequence initiated. All systems nominal. Ready for production.
Accurate stencil alignment ensures consistent solder paste deposition.
Verified feeder loading prevents wrong part placement.
First article approval confirms the line is ready for mass production.
Correct reflow profiles ensure reliable solder joints without component damage.
Automated optical inspection detects solder and placement defects early.
Reinspection confirms defects are fully resolved.
Clean depaneling prevents mechanical stress on finished circuits.
Buffered flow decouples SMT from electrical testing. In-circuit testing verifies component values and solder integrity. Failure review isolates electrical issues before final assembly. Functional testing confirms the board operates as designed.
All units scanned and approved. Proceeding to final assembly conveyor.
Vision checks prevent hidden assembly errors early. Controlled press fit prevents connector damage or loose contacts.
Controlled curing secures the display without thermal stress.
Accurate camera alignment preserves optical performance.
Optical testing confirms camera modules meet focus specifications. Even torque sealing protects internal components and finish quality.
Automated inspection verifies uniform closure and fastener completeness.
Button testing confirms tactile response and electrical function.
Haptic verification ensures consistent user feedback. RF testing confirms reliable wireless performance.
Audio testing verifies loudness and clarity meet specifications.
Display inspection ensures color accuracy and pixel integrity. Display QC is essential prior to cosmetic approval.
Final software loading binds hardware identity to firmware. Retesting confirms the fix meets all specifications.
Protective films prevent cosmetic damage during packing.
Verified kits ensure every box contains the correct accessories. Tamper seals protect product integrity through distribution. Final checks confirm correct contents and identity.
Consistent case packing protects units during transport.
Labeled cartons enable accurate warehouse handling. Structured palletizing stabilizes loads for safe transport. Stretch wrapping secures cartons against shifting.
Controlled storage preserves product condition before shipment.
Careful loading prevents transit damage and maintains shipment integrity.
Securing loads minimizes movement during transport. Security seals protect shipments against tampering. The finished shipment leaves the factory under controlled conditions.
Digital closeout confirms custody transfer and inventory accuracy.
Operator feedback helps refine safety and efficiency.
Packaging waste is compacted to reduce volume and improve recycling efficiency.
Controlled storage ensures hazardous waste is handled safely and legally.
The yield is strong, but the defect rate spiked here at 1400 hours.
Yes, I see that. Is it related to the new component insertion process?
A controlled environment supports reliable manufacturing.
Reusable materials are recovered to reduce waste. Standard cleanup prepares the line for the next build.
Archived records support audits and long-term traceability.
Packaging waste is compacted to reduce volume and improve recycling efficiency. Controlled storage ensures hazardous waste is handled safely and legally.
Archived records support audits and long-term traceability.
coordination keeps shipments moving on schedule.
Visible standards reinforce controlled manufacturing practices.
Operations continue beyond the production floor.
Orderly shutdown preserves equipment readiness. The manufacturing cycle concludes under controlled conditions.